At Sunbelt Modular, our strength comes from a powerful network of industry-leading manufacturers. Together, we deliver smarter and faster building solutions across the United States. Our network includes Amtex, Britco Structures, C&B Modular, Indicom Buildings, MR Steel, Northwest Building Systems, Phoenix Modular, Probox Manufacturing, ProMod Manufacturing, Southeast Modular, Specialized Structures, and Whitley Manufacturing. Each of these companies brings skillful expertise and regional strength to support projects of any size and complexity. At Sunbelt, we deliver high-quality, factory-built buildings for commercial offices, workforce housing, healthcare, education, and industrial facilities. These buildings are designed for performance and efficiency. Built in controlled environments, our facilities ensure precision construction and consistent quality. This process also reduces material waste and significantly accelerates project timelines. Across our network, we offer full-service solutions, including design support, engineering, and production. We create a seamless path from concept to completion. Whether you need permanent modular construction, relocatable buildings, or specialized buildings, Sunbelt Modular delivers scalable solutions tailored to your needs. With our national presence and a focus on innovation, Sunbelt Modular is redefining building design, construction, and delivery. Visit us online at sunbeltmodular.com. Sunbelt Modular, let's build something together.